Okay, here we are, back to the Toyota animation, a little flash animation given by Toyota to demonstrate how the motor generator works in both the motor and the generator. So last time I filmed this, was the last week or so, we're talking about motor the controls and kind of how basically frequency is going to control speed and amplitude is going to control torque. And I left off with regeneration. But real quick, I'm going to play the motor under low speed, low torque. And you can see as this magnetic field is rotating around in a clockwise fashion, it's pulling this permanent magnet rotor around also in a clockwise fashion. This is a synchronous motor, permanent magnet rotor right here. And if you look right down here on the bottom right, you're going to see this Y-wound stator, this magnetic field is going to be going in a clockwise fashion, basically because this current's being phased in and phased out in a clockwise fashion through these IGBTs, insulated gate bipolar transistors. And these two lines right here go to the high voltage battery, positive and negative. And then the computer will command the IGBTs on and off to rotate this magnetic field around the stator. But in regeneration mode, here, let me actually play this one more time. And you can see it kind of phase in, phase out as it rotates around. Okay. So let's take a look at, now we're going to switch it to generator. And notice I can't control torque anymore because, again, this is regen. Okay, the computer does this automatically based on my brake input. So high speed, low speed, regen. Let's watch this. Now if you look, it's going, now this is basically what's happening. The drive wheels are turning the transaxle, that MG2, and then that's going to basically be turning this rotor of MG2. This permanent magnet is rotating, being driven by the wheels now. It used to be this is the drive and the wheels are the driven. Well, now the wheels are the drive, this is the driven. As this is turning around, this magnetic field sweeping across the stator winding creates resistance, and that's what slows the vehicle down. That generates a current in the stator winding, and you'll see it right here in this bottom right, and that current's coming out through these flyback diodes back to the battery to charge it. What is not shown here, though, is that the computer can control how much regeneration, because it's going to kind of command these IGBTs on also. The more on these are, the less regeneration. The less on these are, the less regeneration. Otherwise, if it was strictly just rotating in a magnetic field, it's going to stop you way too quickly. Your deceleration rates will be through the roof. So let's take a look at the speed. Again, you can see that right there. Let's try this again. There you go. So of course, faster is going to generate a higher amplitude, more frequency signal because it's acting as a generator. So that's basically how the Toyota MG1, MG2 work as a generator and as a motor through the IGBTs and the flyback diodes. If you have any questions, email me, and thanks for watching.